We will hold your hand and like walk you through the journey of incorporation, explaining like what do you need to open the bank account. And we actually have a relationship with a few banks across the globe who will help you out with the bank account. So we can't promise you the bank account opening if you are outside of those 4 countries, but we will do like all we can in order to help you out with this.
So even the incorporation aspect you can help with. So that's kind of a turnkey on the, legal financial side. If you're looking to incorporate and run a business effectively in one of those. And then Alex, you've spoken about a couple options with me that Osome can provide, almost levels a seller can choose from. And it appears to me the one is more or less that a seller comes to you at the financial year end and they say, hey, I've got details on my business. Will you help me do the books at year end and file? The second tier is kind of ongoing bookkeeping month to month, which is going to obviously create very comprehensive reports and just an easier filing at the year end. So it's ongoing and then includes filing at year end. And then the last level appears to be like extra insights, where it's not only that compliance, which the first 2 levels cover, but it's also now digging into those numbers and saying, hey, this product's way more profitable in the US than the UK, or vice versa, or this market is outperforming this market. So it's telling sellers where to double down, perhaps even where to cut their losses, but all in an effort to grow the business. So can you speak a bit about what are the costs to a seller who wants to join Osome at those 3 different levels?
Sure. So the first one you've mentioned is called our mini accounting package. This is like when we spoke in the like a few minutes ago about the different kind of goals that you have when it comes to accounting. This will only cover the compliance goal. So this is compliance only package. You only gonna have like one consultation with one of our accountants. We basically take all your documents, we'll compile the financial statements, we'll compile the tax return forms, and we submit it to HMRC. That is kind of year-end compliance only bare bone package. So this package is £550 plus VAT, and it includes 100 transactions throughout the year. The next tier of packages, like there are several packages depending on your turnover, those are for ongoing support. So not only you will have access to like our Osome platform throughout the year, where we'll do several things. We will first integrate Osome to the platforms you are selling on. So imagine that you are selling on Amazon in the UK and you are selling on your own website built on Shopify. So what we'll do, we will set up automatic feeds from Amazon and from Shopify into the like Osome accounting software. And what it allows you to do, it will allow you to see how your business is doing like on a daily basis. So we do reconciliation. So I probably need to mention something about like reconciliation. Reconciliation is basically the procedure of matching the bank transaction with the business transaction. So the business sold something on Amazon, and then like Amazon send money to your bank account. So what you need to do then from the accounting point of view is to take the bank transaction and match it with like whatever Amazon order is in there, in order to create like one transaction from the accounting standpoint of view, and then to like allocate it to correct account. Whether if it's sales, it's going to go to the sales account. If it's I don't know, money from the investor came in, it will go to some other accounts. So this we do usually in 24 hours. So from the time that we get your bank transaction and you've sent us the supporting documents, it takes us 24 hours to reconcile the transaction and to post it into the accounting software. So that means that with this packages, you will see how business is doing on daily basis. And on top of that, why is it also like a bit more expensive, and why is it more I think valuable for the sellers? It also includes unlimited consultations with our accountants. So with Osome app, you will have an access to in-app chat, and in this chat you will be able to ask all the questions with regards to accounting. And we, unlike traditional accountancy firms, we reply in 24 hours. These packages depend on your turnover, and they start from £145 a month. This one is for the sellers with the turnover under £25,000 a month. Then in the third tier that you've talked about, it's actually an add-on to those like second tier packages. That's what we will do basically. We will have a call with the seller. We will understand in the detail what kind of products and what kind of marketplaces the seller would like to track. Like, for example, because it's some sellers don't like to do it on SKU basis because they have a lot of SKUs of the same, I don't know, utensil, but different colors. And there is like no reason for them to track it per SKU basis. They want to track it on like group SKU basis. So, this kind of small details, we'll go through the business. We'll see like what platforms are important to track, what groups of product important to track. And we will set up the tracking categories. And then like at the end of the month, we will provide the seller with the profitability reports based on like the categories we agreed upon previously, and that's where, as you've said, the seller will be able to make a decision in what where to invest the money based on the numbers, based on accounting numbers we provide them with. So this like third add-on, it starts with another £150 a month. And it doesn't depend on your turnover. So whatever monthly packages you have, it's just going to be £150 a month in addition to your package.